Little girl and the canary bird. Little girl with a heart so bright plays with her canary full of delight. She whistles a tune so sweet and clear. The little bird sings back full of cheer. Oh, little girl and the canary, together they dance so free and merry. A bond so sweet in the morning light, chasing the day with joy so bright. Her tiny hands reach for the sky. The canary flutters soaring high. They laugh and play, a perfect pair. In every song, love fills the air. Oh, little girl and the canary, together they dance so free and merry. A bond so sweet in the morning light, chasing the day with joy so bright. Like feathers and dreams, they are so close. In their world, happiness grows. Little girl and her bird, side by side. In friendship and love, they take pride. Oh, little girl and the canary, together they dance so free and merry. A bond so sweet in the morning light, chasing the day with joy so bright. Chasing the day with joy so bright.